Hello and welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Polygon Matic chart and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And last week we had a massive breakdown on the charts, where you can see that we made our low at around the $0.5 mark. And in my previous videos I made you aware of the reasons as to why we had this massive breakdown, and the reason was that Robinhood, which is one of the crypto exchanges, has decided to delist Polygon Matic, Cardano, and also Solana after being named as securities in the recent lawsuits against crypto exchanges BINANCE and Coinbase. And as a result of that, that's the reason why we had this massive sell-off in the market. Though at the time of this recording we are seeing a massive recovery to the upside, where you can see that after seeing our low at around the $0.5 mark, we have now been able to make a high at around the $0.66 mark, which if I give you a measure from that low, is more than 24.52% recovery to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis, I also want to keep you informed of the news that we have this week that will result to a lot of volatility this week, where we have the CPI data release, we also have the PPI and the FOMC meeting, and these are news that are going to give the market a lot of volatility. And if they are positive to the market, then we can expect the market to continue gearing up and see a bit of a recovery to the upside from this massive breakdown that we had over here. And this move to the lower side here on the Polygon Matic was expected on this channel, where basing it on the Elliot structures, I had given you this target area, though we didn't quite expect the massive sell-off to the lower side, where I said to you that last year in June, after seeing our lows at around the $0.32 mark, we started a 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $1.3 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, where we have been breaking down in this ABC corrective move, where I had minimum target areas for that wave 2 using highlighted on the charts using this yellow target box that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum target area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which lies between the $0.8103 mark and the $0.5289 mark, which is an area that at the time of this recording we have fully maximized. And as a result of that, there are high chances that now the low for this wave 2 is now in, and Polygon Matic is now ready for another massive pump in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3. But for now, we can't fully confirm that the low for that wave 2 is in until we see a 5-wave move to the upside to confirm the start of an impulse, followed by an ABC corrective structure over here. And once we see such a move, then we continue gearing up. That will be enough confirmation that the low for this wave 2 is in, and the start of an impulse in the formation of this wave 3 has now started. So that is what you can expect here on the Polygon Matic chart. And in case it continues to get messy with the lawsuits with the Securities Exchange Commission, then we can expect further breakdown here on the charts, where we could continue losing significant areas of supports and maybe continue seeing further breakdown to our next key area of support at around the $0.425 mark. So that is what you can expect on the worst case scenario in case the lawsuits take the wrong turn and we continue seeing further breakdown. But in case the dust of the lawsuits continues to settle down and we start a recovery to the upside, then we can watch out to see whether we are going to see a 5-wave move to the upside, followed by a corrective ABC corrective structure in what could be the start of an impulse in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 37 mark. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, so let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.